To adjust brightness on your Sceptre monitor, you need to access the on-screen display menu, commonly called the OSD menu. This is your control center for all monitor settings. Sceptre monitors have physical control buttons that you'll use to navigate the menu system. These buttons are typically located on the right side or bottom edge of your monitor. There are 4 key buttons you need to know. The menu button opens and closes the OSD. The up and down arrow buttons let you navigate through menu options. The select or enter button confirms your choices, and the exit or back button returns to previous menus. Here's the step-by-step process. First, press the menu button to open the OSD menu. You'll see the main menu appear on your screen with various setting categories. Next, use the up and down arrow buttons to navigate through the menu options. Look for either picture or display settings. The exact name may vary by model, but both lead to the same brightness controls. Once you've highlighted picture or display, press the enter or select button to access that menu. Inside, you'll find the brightness option along with other picture settings. The brightness setting typically displays the current level on a scale from 0 to 100. This numerical scale makes it easy to see exactly where your brightness is set and how much you're adjusting it. Now you know how to access and navigate the OSD menu on your Sceptre monitor. Remember, menu button to open, arrow keys to navigate, enter to select, and look for picture or display settings to find the brightness control. Once you've located the brightness setting in the OSD menu, you can begin adjusting the level using the monitor's control buttons. As you adjust the brightness, you'll see a real-time preview of the changes directly on your screen. This allows you to find the perfect level for your viewing environment. For most indoor environments, a brightness level between 70 to 80% is an excellent starting point. This provides comfortable viewing without straining your eyes. After setting your desired brightness level, press the menu or exit button to save your changes and close the OSD menu. Your new brightness setting will be automatically saved. Some newer Sceptre models feature dedicated brightness buttons with sun or brightness icons. These allow quick adjustments without entering the full OSD menu. Display experts recommend specific brightness levels for different activities. For office work, use 60 to 70%. For gaming, 70 to 85% works best. In dimly lit rooms for general use, keep it between 50 to 65%.